Hey guys, update tayo sa post naman ni Kim Chu sa kanyang IG. Dahil nga birthday ng kanyang best friend na si Bella Padilla. Happiest birthday to my Torin Queen. You are the one strongest, bravest woman and I know you're always been someone who goes after what and she wants fearlessly, passionately, and without hesitation. But more than your strength, what truly makes you shine in your heart. You're so genuine, so full of compassion, and you're so kind everyone around you. Mom Shay, thank you so much for being there through every high and low. Thank you for the laugh and endless chikahan, the quiet moments and comfort, loud moments, celebration. I'm beyond lucky to have you as my mom She. And you and Mom She Angelica also are two of the greatest gift life has given. Oh. So, ayan. At syempre naman, nagre-react naman itong si Bella and Angelica. Ang cute ng conversation niya nila. Nagpapaiyakan naman eh. Thank you. Happy birthday, Ma'am She and Taurus Rock and Roll. Agad naman nag-react at nagbigay komento si Angelica, ang BK. Nagkaanak din siya sa dulo, Ma'am She. So, ayan guys, ang update ni every time na kung sino sa kanila magbe-birthday, even Kim or Angelica, ayan si Bella, basta sa kanilang tatlo, ang alam mo yung tipong ang ganda ng mensahe nila sa bawat isa, nakaka-touch. Kasi ang tagal na nilang friend eh, kumbaga hindi pa nag-aasawa si Angelica, sila na talaga. Solid kumbaga ang kanilang pagkakaibigan. Bihira lang mangyari ang ganyan guys. Kaya naman nakaka-proud yung team nila na ang Biki.